How to check your DoorDash order history. If you want to check your order history on DoorDash, it's very simple for us to do so. What we do is we go ahead and then first of all launch the DoorDash application. If you've placed multiple orders over the years, and if you're placing the current order also, you'll find your cart icon here to view your orders. But what you can do is right on the homepage you can see your past orders, so you can tap on this arrow icon right here to be able to view all of your past orders. Or you can also come to the me icon from the bottom right here you can see it says all of your past orders and favorite stores will be here, so you'll find your past orders in this tab as well. Or you can also go to that orders tab and you'll find all of the orders that you have. That's all it takes for us to basically check our DoorDash order history. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.